Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm you have an administrator account, event viewer ready, and basic network access. First, open services and locate remote procedure call. Make sure its state isn't disabled. Once done, check DNS and ping the domain controller to rule out connectivity issues. If the service is running but errors persist, note the exact error code in Event Viewer so you can target the next steps precisely and avoid guessing changes. Now you'll dive into middle step diagnostics and repairs. Open Event Viewer and filter for RPC and DCOM errors, correlate timestamps with user actions. Restart dependent services like RPC endpoint mapper and DCOM server process. Once restarted, test the failing action. If system files may be corrupted, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Make sure to reboot after repairs, then recheck Event Viewer. If errors differ, record new codes for targeted fixes. Finish by verifying the original operation you attempted earlier. Perform the same remote call and watch Event Viewer in real time. If it still fails, inspect firewall and network rules. Confirm port 135 is open and dynamic RPC port range is not blocked. Once satisfied, document the changes and schedule monitoring. If problems persist, boot into safe mode with networking to isolate third-party interference. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.